How to reset a carrier furnace. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to guide you on how to reset your carrier furnace. So without any delay, let's just jump right into the solutions. For that, first thing you need to do is turn off the power to the furnace. Before starting any furnace process, ensure the power supply is turned off. This will not only protect the system, but also keep you safe. Find the furnace dedicated power switch, which usually mounted on the furnace itself or a nearby wall. It looks like a light switch. Second is turning off the thermostat. Next, head to your home's thermostat and make sure it is off. This will prevent the system from trying to activate while you are working on the reset process. After that, wait for 5 to 10 minutes. Once you have turned off both the power and the circuit breaker, wait a few minutes before turning anything back on. This allows the furnace internal systems to fully reset and clear any error messages or lockout modes. After that, restore your power. After the waiting period, it is time to bring the furnace back to life. And then turn the thermostat back on and set it back to your desired temperature. Make sure it is set to heat mode so the furnace knows to start working. On 5 number, monitor the furnace. Once everything is powered up and the thermostat is set, monitor your furnace for any signs of continued issues. You should hear the system kick on, and within a few minutes, warm air should start circulating through your home. If that doesn't work, there's a hot reset button inside the furnace door compartment. It may be difficult to reach or see, but your owner's manual should clearly mark its location. Follow steps 1 through 3 above, then locate and press the reset button for 5 to 10 seconds. And then return power to the furnace and monitor it for any other signs of malfunctions. So that is it. That is how you reset your carrier furnace by following up this method. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.